the statement is that in any triangle, the square of one side equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides it's minus twice the product of the two sides multiplied by cosine of the included angle, or the angle between the two sides. Okay, so let's prove this theorem. Okay, so required to prove that a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc multiplied by cos of a. Okay, so this is what we are trying to prove, and then of course we need the construction. Okay, and the construction is the same as what we constructed for the area rule and the sine rule. So it's just the perpendicular height.
Hey there, please note that this was just a portion of the actual session. You can find the complete session on our YouTube channel. I have attached the link to the channel on the comment section. Go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us on all social media platforms. See you on the next